I have recommended my school to a lot of my friends because as they get older, they're wanting to advance to their degree, but they just feel they can't because of time constraints, cost. Spring Arbor has pretty much got this working like a smooth machine because you apply, you get accepted, you go to class, and eventually you'll be done with school, and it goes by so fast. It's hard to believe that this program works as well as it does, but it does. And I am extremely thankful that I took that step to further my education at Spring Arbor University. Thank you.